I'm Chef Matt Burton, and I'm here with Red Star today. We're going to be making a vegan gnocchi pesto. Absolutely unbelievable. The pesto is actually made with kale and walnuts, not your traditional basil and pine nuts. The secret ingredient is the nutritional yeast that we're adding to it. The nutritional yeast, as many of you may know, gives you a cheesy note, a cheesy flavor, that whole mouthfeel. It creates such an amazing experience. Put the kale, the walnuts, the garlic, a little bit of olive oil, puree that all up, put in the nutritional yeast, which helps round out all those flavors, and that's what we have here. Very savory. The gnocchi tastes wonderful. Got a nutty, buttery flavor. It's cheese, actually. Very fun.